Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel where I'm having 84. So my current and new subscriber, thank you all for being a part of One Habit 84, and to the ones that just dropping in, checking out my channel, thank you all for stopping by to watch my channel on today. And I would just like to say Happy Mother's Day to all of the great moms out there. Hope you all are having a very happy Mother's Day weekend. So I just wanted to stop in right quick and do this unboxing with you all right quick. I wanted to show you all what my family purchased me for Mother's Day. You all, I'm so very grateful and thankful for my family, my beautiful husband, my two lovely children, and my grandbaby. You all, I appreciate them so much. So okay, enough of that, you all. Let's get into this unboxing. Okay, so this is one of the bags that I have been looking at and knowing you all for quite some time now, and yes. And so she finally arrived. And so this is she, you all. So this is the bag that I have been looking at, I have been wanting. And when I saw Dooney showed this bag right here on her channel, you all, I said to myself, yes, I have to have this bag now that I see it on someone else's channel. So that made me go ahead on and, let my children know, I know exactly what I want for Mother's Day. And they was like, Mom, we're supposed to surprise you. And I'm like, look, I already know what I want, so this is what I want. And so they went ahead on and they purchased this bag for me. So so you all, this is a beautiful bag, you all. And I'm sure you all have seen these bags before, but I haven't saw this particular bag. The only one that I saw, like I said, was on Dooney 77 channel, and this is the bag that I was looking at. And when I saw it on her channel, I said, babe, this is the bag that I want. This is the bag that I was looking at. And so this right here. So so you all, I'm stepping out and I'm, trying new colors of bags. So so this is a lovely, beautiful bag, y'all. So so let me bring her closer so you all can see. I love how this bag is made, you all. So that's what made me go ahead on and purchase this bag when I saw it on Dooney 77 channel. So I will just take all the wrapping off. This is the crossbody strap. I can go ahead and yeah, I'm so happy for this bag. really is stuff this bag. Okay, so you all, this is how she looking in the inside, and this is the Art Deco bag. So yeah, so she has that red interior in the inside. She has that zip back pocket, and she also has a slip pocket right there, and she has these two front slip pockets right here. And you also have your key keeper. And you have the Dooney and Bourke tag right there. So you have a compartment right here, and you have a slot right here. So on the back, you also have a slot right here. So this purse has a lot of compartments, and that is one of the things that I like about Dooney and Bourke. They have so many compartments in their bags, y'all, but they is a little pricey. But I didn't care what was the price for this bag. Only thing I knew when I saw it, I wanted this bag immediately. I didn't care about the price or nothing. I just wanted this bag, you all. So yes, a lovely, lovely bag, you all. So yes, so that is that. And this another gift that I also got, and this is a Bible verse jar that my daughter purchased me, and it said "Open Me." So this is cute, y'all. So it said, "Read this when you're happy, thankful, frustrated, sad, and trouble." Color code Bible verse. That is so cute, y'all. Okay, and this is another lovely gift. This is a light up glass plaque, and it says "To my mom," and it has a whole lot of reading, and it changes colors. So yeah, so I thought that was beautiful also. And a card came with it also. It says, "A heart so full of love, so truth, Mom, there is no one like you." So that's beautiful. Okay, and I also have a candle in the raspberry peach, and it smells wonderful, you all. Okay, and I also have this face wash bath glove, and this is a 3-in-1 treatment tool, and they had these at Dollar Tree. So yes, they had these out for Mother's Day, and that was beautiful also. Okay, and so the last thing that I have is this Dooney and Bourke pouch. So yeah, so I thought these were some beautiful gifts, and I also have the wallet coming on the way for this bag. So yeah, so this is beautiful, you all. Okay, let me bring my bag again closer so you all can see. that beautiful Dooney and Bourke plaque. And this is the side, the back, the other side, and this is the bottom. So, if you all like this video on today, please hit that like, hit that share. Make sure you subscribe to Woman Habit 84. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you all will know every time I upload a video.